7's pattern, it helps when you multiply by 7. It makes it a lot easier. So now we're going to take a look at some problems, some more problems. Okay? We're not going to do them yet, though. We're going to wait until we actually, we're going to wait until we read the problem.
Okay.
James, can you move away from Dakota, please? Thank you. Sometimes it does that. All right, here's a problem. I will read it. Danny sees 7 beetles on the playground. Each beetle has 6 legs. How many legs are there on all 7 beetles? I'm going to read it again. Danny sees 7 beetles on the playground. Each beetle has 6 legs. How many legs are there on all 7 beetles? Not working yet. Not working yet. Thank you. What kind of picture can you draw to solve this problem? I don't want you to draw the picture yet. You're thinking. Looking at the problem, looking at the words, what picture would you draw to go along with this problem? Pencils should not be in the air. Right now, I want you to turn and tell somebody what type of picture you would draw to go with this. How are you going to solve this? What would you draw a picture of?
Hey, you, Christian, you should be talking about 8. He's the only one. Yes, that's that's how you get started.
Did you shoot something?
That's it.
No. Okay, are you shooting?
I said I was going to 10 plus 7, 14.
All right, come back to me in 5, 4, 3. Eyes on the teacher, pencils down. 2, 1. I heard different types of drawings. I heard different types of drawings. Somebody share with me what you would draw. What would you draw? Yes. You would draw 7 beetles with 6 legs and then count them, okay? Somebody give me a different one. Yes, sir.
I would draw 7 beetles something equipment by the playground and make a times sentence out of it.
So he's adding something onto hers. Not only would he draw the beetles, 7 beetles with 6 legs, but he'd draw the number sentence to go with it. Does somebody have something different other than drawing the beetles? Is there some other way that you would, something else you would draw to solve the problem? Yeah.
A tape diagram and problem.
A tape diagram and then draw a multiplication problem, okay?
Me?
Is there anything else? Is there anything else that you would do? Yes. An array and a multiplication problem. Wow, those are 3 different ways that we could represent this problem. Well, today we are going to be doing this problem using a tape diagram. Okay? So I want you, on your notebooks, to solve this problem using a tape diagram. Go ahead. Don't forget your number sentence. Yours is already on there? Let me see. Where? I don't see the tape diagram though. You gotta have the tape diagram and the number sentence. And I want you to use a letter to represent the unknown in your expression or in your number sentence. A letter to represent the unknown. You know what a letter is?
Yeah.
I think I'm going to use the letter N. Okay, I'm going to give you about 5 more seconds to finish up your tape diagram. I see a lot of people making great tape diagrams.
How much beetle was it? How many beetles?
Danny sees 7 beetles.
7. It was 7.
Make sure you have your number sentence that goes with it because you have to have both. All right, pencils down.
I just got done.
Okay, give me a thumbs up if for your tape diagram you drew 7 boxes and you knew you wrote a 6 underneath because each box had 6. So you have 7 boxes for 7 beetles, 6 for each beetle because that represents the legs. Give me a thumbs up if that's what you had on your paper. I saw a lot of it. I saw a lot of those. Okay. Now, the expression that you would need to have would be 7 times 6 equals, we don't know right now what it equals, so we would put N for unknown. Okay?
42.
All right, let's count on our fingers by 7s to figure out what 7 times 6 equals. Ready? Here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. So what does 7 times 6 equal? 42. So we found out what N equals. N equals 42. All right. Okay, we're ready for another one then. All right, pencils down, please. Oh, hold on. I'm going to wait because not everybody's pencils are down. Some people are just coloring. I need you to be sitting on your pockets. Pencil and paper in your lap. Shouldn't see anything in the air. Hand down, please. Thank you. All right, here we go. Can we know the problem if we don't look at it?
No.
No, so I need to see all eyes up on the board, please. All right. Denise has 48 beads. She wants to make bracelets for 6 friends. How many beads will she put on each bracelet? I'm going to read it again. Denise has 48 beads. She wants to make bracelets for 6 friends. How many beads will she put on each bracelet? I want you to solve this yourself using a tape diagram. Instead of drawing all of the dots, instead of drawing dots on your tape diagram, that's taking you a lot of time, try to be a little more efficient and use a number instead. Okay, go ahead. Remember, this is what we did for the first one. Draw a tape diagram to figure out how many beads she put on each bracelet. Think back to our fluency. How did we do our fluency?
How is that possible? Y'all didn't tell me.
I see a lot of you counting by sevens. Smart thinking. You really don't know how many boxes to draw for your tape diagram until you start counting by sevens.
Ouch.
Miss Davis, you can stop the video.